Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you the location of the heated seats fuse. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now the first fuse will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the headlight switch. Now you want to pull this cover towards yourself to access the fuses. On the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and right here you will get access to the fuses. And the fuse you want to check here will be fuse number 13, which is a 25 amp fuse located right here at the bottom of the fuse box. Second fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery right here. To remove this cover you'll have three black tabs here, here and here. Now you want to press these clips together and lift up to remove the cover. You will do that on all three of them. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this white piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number 33, which is a 30 amp fuse located in the upper right corner. Now in case both of these fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you'll want to test the heated seats switch, check all the wiring towards the seats, and check maybe the heating element inside the faulty heated seat. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.